Welcome, here I've got MEIZU M8 and let me show you how to use the camera pro mode at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. We have to change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we get access to more modes of this camera and one of them is the Pro, so let's pick it. Here we are. This mode gives us possibilities to choose some shooting parameters by ourselves. This is useful when we want to learn photographic skills or making experiments with photography. So let me start with this settings bar. Let's go from the left. The first one option we can manage here is the shutter speed, so we can change the time of taking photo. And we can make it shorter, from 1 5,000 of seconds, so this is really short time and it should be better, for example, to objects in move with a good light to frozen them at the picture. And when we slide to the right, we can check the longest here, 20 seconds, so this is really long time and it should be better to objects that are stable or if we want to blur some things at the picture. And of course there's no problem to go back to auto shutter speed, we have to simply slide to the beginning of it. Now let's move to the next one option, the ISO, so we can manage here camera sensitivity to light and we can make it less sensitive from 100 and more sensitive to 1 in 6,000, so this is why it's choice like this type of camera. And to go back to auto ISO we have to simply slide to the beginning to the left. Now let's move to the center button, the exposure compensation, so we can manage the light of our picture. By going to the right here, we can make our photo more bright, as you can see. By going to the left, we can make it more dark. To go back to auto exposure compensation, we have to simply go back to 0 to the center of the slider. And let's move to the next one option, the focusing. Here we can change autofocus to manual one. And when we slide it, we can adjust it as we need on our picture. And of course, to go back to autofocus, let's slide to the beginning now. And let's move to the last one option here on this settings bar, the white balance. So here we can change the temperature of our picture. It depends from the light we have in the area where we take a photo. So for example, here we can pick incandescent light, fluorescent light, sunny light and cloudy. So this is kind of balance between the blue and the warm tones of our picture, cold and warm, blue and orange, and you can pick here whatever you need or just go back to the auto from the left. So this is how to use these settings. Now let me adjust them to take a picture. So for example, let's stay on a white balance on incandescent light, the focusing may be on auto, a little bit brighter here. The ISO may be here and the shutter speed. Let's keep it like that. To see my photo, let's move to the right, to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how it looks like. It's not perfect, I suggest you to making experiments with all of these settings and just have a good fun. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.